Hey, it's Jordan, the 1031 doctor, and today is July 8th, and we're going to look at a deal in Reno, Nevada that's really interesting, and I think there's a lot of upside on this deal, and we're going to dive into it. The 1031 doctor's been buying, building, selling, leasing triple net investments across the country since 1986, and we will analyze any deal across the country within 24 hours for $299. Let's dive into this really interesting deal on North McCarran Boulevard in Reno, Nevada. Now, I lived in Lake Tahoe for many years, so I know Reno pretty well. And this deal is kind of a one of a kind. If you're looking for a car wash, gas station, multi-brand deal for the bonus depreciation or the enhanced depreciation, this is it. And I'm going to tell you where the big upside lays. Let's look at this deal. So it's a 2.5 acre site on North McCarran, and it is a 7-Eleven multi-brand deal. And we're going to take a look at some pictures of this thing. And here's what it looks like. So Peavin Plaza. Peavin Plaza. I don't know where that name comes from, but it's a 5-tenant deal with a 7-Eleven anchor, and it's one of the big 7-Elevens with a lot of MPDs, and it also has a car wash, a quick lube, and a state registered smog certification. This 7-Eleven is probably doing incredible sales because the traffic on this deal is pretty heavy. On North McCarran, you got 41,000 cars. And on the highway here, you got 76,000 cars, major visibility on off ramp. And this off ramp, you got 14,000 cars here just on the off ramp. So that is pretty significant for this type of freeway-oriented investment. Now, I say freeway-oriented kind of lightly because it's also in a really good little nook of a neighborhood. Here's a better picture here. And we're going to get into the leases, and I'm going to tell you how to make a bunch of money on this thing, but it's a bit of a hold to do it. So what you have here is an executive summary. It's got 927 feet on Interstate 80. It's 13,400 square foot in improvements on 2.5 acres, 7-Eleven anchored, as we say. And they're asking 11,475,000. Now, I've seen some sheets and some Mavericks and what have you in that price range, and even some 7-Elevens. So it's not out of the question, but I'll tell you why this is a really good deal. They're asking almost a 5.5 cap, which is not bad considering the credit. But we're going to try to get that at about 6, maybe 6.25. And let's get into the leases. Here's the address. The construction, 1998, so it's a good 28 years old. It's already been depreciated by somebody. It's probably why they're selling it. But here's the real interesting part. Now, you've got Starbucks here. That should tell you something. AT&T, you got Popeyes. You got Del Taco here, one of my favorites. You got IHOP here, one of my other favorites. And you got a Tires Plus, one of my other favorites. Tires Plus is owned by BF Goodrich. Firestone, basically the Japanese own that. The Japanese also own 7-Eleven. But they own a lot of things in this country, including I think U.S. Steel and Robertson's Ready Mix and a lot of other big companies. But here's another picture. And this area is absolutely beautiful. You're not far from Lake Tahoe, but Reno is a beautiful area to live. It gets a little snow. So here's the deal. The 7-Eleven here goes until, well, there's an option in 2034. I'd imagine this thing is going to end pretty soon after that. The Jimmy Express car wash and quick lube has basically got 10 years and maybe even less. The lease started in 08 and it goes to 26, rent beginning in 2026. So there's a 10-year option on that one. So this might be a little bit of a wait here. You got 10 years here, 10 years here, and this Golden Route Operations LLC. This is the upside. This gas station operation here has slot machines, and slot machines are very profitable business. And I think their lease is coming up in 2027, and it's renews annually May 1st. Maybe it's month to month. But taking that over and taking over the gas station operation eventually, the car wash eventually, not necessarily the smog, although this is a really low price point on that one. But this Carl's Jr. is definitely pretty low rent as far as I'm concerned. I'll bet you they're doing $2 million a year, so their rent to sales is like 4%. 79,000 is very low rent. They got 2 5-year options. I'd like to see the leases. But that's basically what this deal is. And here's another picture. We really like this, even just for the depreciation you're going to get. Now, this franchisee at this property, they've got 127 locations, and they're partnered with another Star Corp with 140 locations. They've been there all 27 years. They've got 984 locations. Well, that's Carl's Jr. in general, but a good 300 of them are this franchisee. Now, this Jimmy Car Wash and Jimmy's Quick Lube, this is a single guy here. This is just a one-off. They've only got this one location. I'm sure it's a legacy deal when the deal was developed. That business to take over is going to be very profitable. I wouldn't necessarily go after this smog deal. I would probably, they've got 5 locations in Reno. I would probably just keep them there. But this tenant right here, Golden Route Operations LLC, this is your upside. To take over this lease, try to get a gaming license, and you can have your own little mess of slot machines. Now, in the old days, slot machines, like 20, 25 years ago, I looked into this, and I think I'm correct, but each slot machine makes about $50,000 a year net profit. And if you have 10 slot machines, that's $500,000 in profits, and that's some serious money. So this company has 11,000 terminals, 3,600 locations, mainly in taverns. They got a few casinos, but this is a long-term deal. And what you eventually do is you take over the whole damn thing. You get into the operation of this gas station. You put in a McDonald's, or you get a McDonald's franchise, and you take over this car wash and Quick Lube. These are very, very profitable businesses. And instead of netting $600,000 on this deal, you could probably net $3 or $4 million. So that's a long-term horizon, but it's a buy and hold, and your next generation will basically do what I'm telling you to do. You got a young population, 37 and a half years old, married households, 40,000. And I'm sure that goes up and down with the economy. But this is a really nice deal. Now, it's not just an isolated freeway deal. You got a Home Depot right here. You got your Walmart over here. So you got Kohl's and Safeway. And the university is way over here. Oh, here it is, University of Nevada in Reno. Not too far. But the 80 goes clear across our country. And this is a great site as far as I'm concerned. I wouldn't be, if you're in a large exchange, I would definitely consider that, especially for the enhanced or bonus depreciation. You have to check with your CPA. But that's basically it on this one. I really like Reno. I like all the bones of this deal. It's a decent cap rate on asking price and a great piece of real estate on the I-80, getting close to California. So I think it's a go. I would still try to get it around a 6 cap. Anyways, if you're in an exchange and you need some help, reach out to Jordan at the1031doctor.com, and we'll set up a program for you. We'll check out your properties for you. And we do brokerage in California and represent California clients, but we also have a very large broker network all across the country. So if you need me to refer you to a great broker in other states, I've been doing this a long time and pretty well connected with all the major retailers as well. And if you need some help leasing, you can also contact me for that as well. Anyways, please, if you like the content of this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It's the 1031 Doctor signing out.